Hey guys, David from RV Wholesalers with another Versus video. Today we're going to be talking about slide out awnings. Should I have them? Should I not have them? It's about 70% of our customers buy slide out awnings. The only time we suggest you don't get them is if you're going to be in a very windy area like a beach. If you stay at a beach, a lot of people do, you really don't want slide awnings. Too much wind can get them whipping and start to unroll them, things like that. So if you're on a beach, stay away from them. People say, what about in the woods? No, that's where you really want them, right? If you have a lot of trees above you, the branches, the leaves, everything hits the top of that slide awning. When you pull it in, everything's going to fall off. So you keep all that stuff from being on the roof of your slide awning, and when you bring in your slide out, you keep things from being up there that could mess with the seal, cause a leak, damage the seal, things like that. So in our mind, unless you're camping on a beach or a really, really windy area, you should have slide out awnings. If you have questions about slide out awnings, you can give us a call at 877-877-4494. Ask for one of our parts specialists. Check them out on our website, rvwholesalers.com. Please make sure you follow us on Facebook and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube page so you can see more videos just like this one.